Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device actually supports Touch ID and that iOS is up to date. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and gently clean the home button to remove oil or debris that blocks sensors. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and that device management or restrictions aren't blocking biometric enrollment. If you have a recent backup, you can proceed confidently. Otherwise, backup now so you can restore settings if needed. Now delete any stored fingerprints and perform a full restart of the phone to clear temporary glitches. This often resolves sensor lockups. After reboot, go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode, and add a fingerprint. Use varied angles and edges during the scan for full coverage. If enrollment still fails, check for software conflicts by disabling VPNs or profiles, or test in a clean state like a new user profile. These steps isolate whether the issue is software-related versus hardware. If software troubleshooting didn't work, inspect the home button area for dents, moisture, or separation. Physical damage often breaks the Touch ID ring. Unless you're trained, avoid replacing the home button yourself because Touch ID components pair to the secure enclave. Repair requires Apple or an authorized technician. As a last resort, restore the iPhone in DFU mode to rule out deep firmware faults, then retest. If problems persist, book Apple service. One key tip: bring proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.